day mga mamshies. So for today's video, samahan natin si Kuya Sam na mag-ayos ng kanyang mga projects. Since mag-uumpisa na yung first periodical exam na, it's project times na rin, especially sa mga public school. So alam ng mga anak niya yan at kayo din mga mamshi, diba? So tara, samahan natin si Kuya Sam. What are your projects? What subjects? English and GMRC and Filipino. Yes, very good. So ngayon, usually it's printouts. So organizing Kuya Sam's project. Okay, done with English. And last is Filipino because GMRC already stable in Filipino. First grade. So, wala, pero, and buto, and sa loob it's graphics, graphics, yan, yung mga pinag-aralan nila kayo. Antonyms and synonyms. And last one, GMRC. GMRCI. Mga pag-aaral sa pananampalataya at how to take care of our environment. So, usually mga printouts. Watching mga mamshies, and please don't keep us. Bye bye.